Ever wanted to politely sidestep an incoming call without the awkwardness of blocking or sending them straight to voicemail? Well, your iPhone has a super simple, discreet way to do just that, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. First things first, you'll need to access your control center on newer iPhones with Face ID. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen if you have an iPhone with a home button. Swipe up from the bottom edge. Now, locate the Do Not Disturb icon. It looks like a moon instead of just tapping it. We need to press and hold it for a moment. This action will bring up a menu with more options. You'll see different ways to activate Do Not Disturb for this specific purpose. We want to select Turn On Until Tomorrow. Once you select Turn On Until Tomorrow, your iPhone will enter Do Not Disturb mode. This means any incoming calls will be silenced, and the ringer will be turned off. But importantly, the caller won't know they've been blocked or sent to voicemail. They'll simply hear silence on their end. This setting will automatically disable itself tomorrow morning, so you won't forget to turn it back off. It's a fantastic way to regain your peace and quiet for a short while without any awkward follow-up. So there you have it. A quick and easy method to ignore calls discreetly on your iPhone, perfect for those moments when you need a little quiet time. #iPhone tips, #privacy hacks.